Now let's check the transistor. As you see, I have here a transistor, okay, as you can see. So this transistor is a p-n transistor, as you see, because we have here diodes. The cathode of diodes, as you can see, is connected together. So this is P and P. So to check this transistor, you should put the black probe of the multimeter here into center terminal, and then once the positive probe once here, and you should get a reading, okay, because this is a p-n transistor, okay. So let's check this transistor using always the multimeter, okay. So I should check first your multimeter, and I should put the black probe here in this terminal and the red probe once here, as you see. So I have a reading here, it's good, and once into other terminal I have a reading here. But if I change the probe, if I put the red probe here, I should not get any reading. So let's check. As you see, no reading. Also here, no reading. But if we put the black here, we have reading here, and also we have a reading here. That means this transistor is in a good state. Okay, we can use this transistor without any problem. Okay.